family. Good morning from at IngasWorld in Queens, New York. Welcome to my channel. Before the end of this video, don't forget to support me by liking the video, sharing the video, and most of all, subscribe. Your support is needed and will be appreciated. I sometimes take you in my community, in my travel world, and most of the times in my kitchen. Today, you're going to be in my kitchen. Welcome. Take a walk with me. Today, we're going to be making potato cheese pie. And we're using ingredients that are right there in your kitchen. Yes, right there in the kitchen. By the way, how you feeling this morning? How you do? As for me, it's poker. Water more than flour. Meaning it's not the greatest, but you know what? I'm surviving. How about you? Write in the comment section. Let me know how you're feeling. I'm doing a feeling check this morning before we move right into the drama in our kitchen. Okay, what do we want for our potato cheese pie? Can you see my potatoes? They're already washed. We're gonna need, of course, cheese. And I'm using mozzarella, but of course you could use cheddar, yellow cheese, American cheese. We're gonna need flour. We're gonna need some bell peppers, onions, garlic, some spinach, some corn, old corn, and I chopped it a little. Can you see that? An egg, crushed bell pepper, some Maggi or adobo, whichever you can find or afford, some breadcrumbs. And here I have buttered or greased my dish that I will be using this day for my my potato cheese pie. And of course we have some, look at this, oh yummy. I already fried it crispy and nice. It's some hot dog, or you could use frankfurter, or you could use turkey bacon, whichever you like. I have a little melted butter here, and we're ready for the road. Are you ready? Let's get dressed. My head is already covered. How are you? Wrapped my head. Now, the first thing you want to do is grate your potatoes. You may peel them, or you may just wash them and use them like I have done here. So I'm shredding my potatoes. I shred it instead of mashing it because I want that texture. If you choose to mash it, you may, but I choose to shred it. So you have the option of shredding or mashing. Yeah. When you use it with the skin, it gives you the fiber that you need. You need about, my potatoes are small, so I'm using about 8 or 10. If your potatoes are big, you might just need 5. Whatever you think is enough to feed your family. With this recipe, you're going to be doing a lot of shredding, cutting, and mixing. You shred the potatoes, you cut your onions and your bell peppers, your garlic you shred. I'm going to shred my garlic, or you could cut your garlic. Your cheese you're going to shred, or you may already have bought the shredded mozzarella cheese. That's all right. I think this should be good enough for me. Look at it. Yeah, this is enough for me. In my kitchen, I have a small kitchen. I have to clean as I go. So I'm washing my utensils as I go. Look at all these colors. Colors are important when you're making your food. It creates an appeal, and your guests or your family enjoys it better. We usually feed our eyes before we feed our stomachs first. So here I have my shredded potatoes. You could keep the skin on or off. Now I'm going to add my corn. Look at my corn. I used old corn and I blended it, chopped it a little. If you want it smoother, you may do so. You may just blend it, grind it real small. For me, I need that texture, like I said. So I have chopped it, not rounded, so small. Here I have my spinach. Add my spinach. Rinse, wash as I go. Okay, well, I'm going to shred my sweet pepper. I just need a piece. A small onion. I don't want too much onion to overpower the taste. And I'm going to use some garlic. So, here we go. I'm going to shred it on my grater. You could chop it. You don't have to shred it. I could have blended it, but I like the movement. I like the physical part of it, It's good exercise. My sweet pepper, my onion and garlic. Now I have my fried sausage and hot dog. You could use bacon, turkey bacon if you may. Bacon of your choice. And the grease from it, I use it. It's going to flavor. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use some of the potato to scoop out all that grease. Too much grease is not good, but it's still important that we have some kind of fat in our diet. A little fat won't hurt. A little grease won't hurt. Flavors your dish. You could use a little melted butter, as I am going to be using. I didn't use much grease. I have some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to scoop that all in. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to also use some cheddar cheese. I'm going to top it. Little cheddar, little cheddar, little cheddar, little cheddar. Yes. Make it cheesy and nice. A little crushed pepper. Yep. Make it flavorful. And last but not least, not last, I still have one more to go. Some at Maggie. Flavors. You don't need salt if you're using Maggie. Now remember, the sausage or for the hot dog, whatever you choose to use, it has some salt in it. So don't put too much adobo. And this is my egg. I think I'm going to use one more egg. Let me just use another. How you doing? Everything good? How is your journey with me down this spy lane here? Potato cheese spy lane. Alright. Not too much whisking. It's all in. Breadcrumbs. Plain breadcrumbs. Because I already had it seasoning. And this is like a binding agent. Plain breadcrumbs. To bind your ingredients. I like to use a little flour as well. Flour. There's one more thing. You may add some milk. If you drink milk, you may add some milk. If not, use some water. Don't put too much liquid. Why? Because the ingredients already have a lot of liquid. The spinach has liquid in it. It's gonna, when it steams in, it's going to bring forth a lot of liquid, you know. The corn, that too. Look, let me give you a look. See, this is my mix. And I'm gonna add a little water if I need. If you don't drink milk, don't have to add milk. Mix in that cheese. Oh boy, the blend of aromas. Ooh, it's so, smelling great, smelling great. Can you just imagine what it's gonna taste like? Now, if you don't want to use milk, you could add some cream cheese, or you could use both in your mix. It's your pie, you know. When you don't have one ingredient, my granny said, Auntie B said, you turn your hand and make fashion. You do with what you have. Use an alternative source, yes. So if you don't have milk, you use like a sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you know, it's also good. Your cheese is giving you that vitamin D. So if you realize that you have all the nutrients all the basic nutrients that you need. The spinach, your iron, your vitamin. The potato, your carb. And your corn. And it's low carb. The corn is low carb. You know? Your protein are the pieces of frankfurter, or if you used bacon. I'm gonna add a little more flour. This is my mix. And I have some melted butter. And it's okay to taste, to see if it has enough salt, if it needs more of any of the ingredients you would like to taste in it. Good to me. I'm gonna add some more cheese. I like my pie cheesy. Ooh, the onion gives it a nice taste. The onion and bell pepper, wow. And I'm gonna top it with some mozzarella cheese, yes. I can't wait. Your children are going to love it. If they didn't like potato, when it's blended like this with other ingredients, they won't even realize it's potatoes. All right, so let me get my topping. I'm gonna grate some more mozzarella. Yeah. This is for my topping. I'm gonna put some mozzarella and cheddar cheese on the top. Then I'm gonna put it right in the oven. I love mozzarella. It gives it that gooey texture that I like, and the kids like it. It's playful. They're gonna love it. You gotta make your food fun, yes. There goes my mozzarella for to top my pie. All right. I'm gonna add. Now here I have my greased container. I'm ready to put it in the oven that is already on 350 degrees. It's set. So let me pour it into my dish. This is lovely. I'm loving it. Ooh, can't wait. Can't wait. Ooh. I'm leveling it out before I had my final touch. Hey, let me take you a little closer. Now I'm gonna add my topping. Let's add some topping. We're gonna make it real colorful. We're gonna give it a light layer of yellow. Cheddar on top. You could use this for breakfast. You could use it for lunch or dinner. That's a fun part of it, guys. You could use it for any type of meal you please. Good for lunch, for your children. Very practical. Yeah, this mozzarella is a play. The kids will love it. Write this up, people. Write this up. Yeah. Yes, it's all ready to go in the oven. My people, please, I need your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, IngasWorld. It was a pleasure taking you on this journey, making our potato cheese pie. You know, I can't wait to do my next video with you. So listen, walk good, love God, and see you next time. Oh, I have to show you the final product. Don't go yet. It's time to show the finished product of our potato cheese pie. Look at the finished product. Oh my God, look. Do you like it? Does it look delicious? Well, they said the proof is in the pudding, so let's cut. Cut and taste. Let's cut and taste. We're getting ready to enjoy the journey. Yes. Ooh, that crunch on the top from the cheese. And then that soft, gooey. Oh, it's just amazing. Feels good. And I know it's going to taste even more better than it feels. Yes, the kids are going to love this. Everybody, they love this slice. Wow. It's just beautiful. Ooh. Here we go. It's all here, guys. All here. You could add Parmesan to it if you want, you know. But let me taste it for you. I wish you were here. I don't know how it comes. I was trying to rush off the video before, you know, showing you the finished product. See that steam coming from it? You can feel the texture of the crunch from the corn. You know, you taste that smoky taste of the fried not bacon in this case, but the hot dogs. That cheese. For me, this is breakfast because it's morning here. I'm loving it. Anyway, people, thank you for taking this journey with me. I love you. Can't wait to see you tomorrow again for the next video. One thing may I beg you know, go hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe. And if you have any comments for me, you know, I'm ready for the growth. You know, add on what you can tell me, or something you would like me to do. And, you know, just say it in the comment section below, and I'll get it done for you. Don't forget, share IngasWorld. Join me at IngasWorld in the kitchen. Walk good.